Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from negative reviews with Trustpilot, complete guide step by step clearly. To recover from negative reviews on Trustpilot, first, begin by acknowledging the review. Log into your Trustpilot business account. Locate the negative review that you want to address. Carefully read the review to understand the customer's concerns. Take a moment to reflect before responding. Craft a professional and empathetic response. Start your response by addressing the reviewer by name. Thank them for their feedback and acknowledging their experience. Apologize for any inconvenience they faced. Provide a brief explanation if appropriate, but avoid making excuses. Invite them to reach out directly for a resolution. Offer a solution or compensation, if applicable. Encourage further dialogue to resolve the issue. Monitor the review to see if the customer responds. If the customer updates their review, be sure to thank them publicly. Learn from the feedback to improve your services. Finally, encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews. Maintain an ongoing dialogue with your audience to build trust. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.